Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for GRT token. So, as always, our key level criteria. We look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, as always, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first key level we can plot is our swing high here. Now, always remember to color coordinate your lines with the time frame you're working in. The next level we notice is a swing high right here. And we notice a level here, but we're going to hop into the weekly so we can get more data to look at. Now, for this swing high here, we're actually going to plot in a zone. As we see reactions coming up as resistance here, support here, and resistance here. So, we have multiple reactions acted as support and resistance, and this level is obvious to spot. So, the next level we can plot is our weekly swing high, which is quite obvious on the chart as the highest point price got from the candle bodies we see closing and the long wicks rejecting the level. Now, what else do we notice? We notice a swing low right here. As price came down, we see reactions from long wicks, long wicks, long wicks, before reversing drastically up to our other key level. Now we see price come down, reverse, come down, and we see it reacting to the same level again. So we have multiple reactions acting as support before breaking through and flipping into resistance, with this very obvious level here and the long wick sticking out here. Now, hopping into more recent price action, we can notice a level right here where price came down, acted as support, and we see price acting as resistance to the same key level. Now, for the most recent price action, we can see a support level here where price came down, reversed drastically, came down, and reacted to the level before breaking through. So, what we notice is that the most recent on these last 2 months has formed another support level. Now, for price to continue on upwards, we expect to see a reaction from this level here and from this level here before it can continue on its upward climb to this level here. So we notice price came down and reversed drastically from this level, claiming it as support. Over here, we see price come down and reversing drastically at the same level, which is very obvious to spot on the chart. So, this is all of our key levels on the weekly and monthly time frame. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.